Question 8. Two observers, Abu and Badu, 46 meters apart, observe a bird on a vertical pole from the same side of the bird. The angles of elevation of the bird from Abu's and Badu's eye are 40 degrees and 48 degrees respectively. If at the foot of the pole Abu and Badu are on the same horizontal, a part of the question illustrates the information in a diagram. B. Calculate correct to 1 decimal place the height of the pole. We have solution. A part of the question, we are to illustrate the information in the question on a diagram. So let's start with the vertical pole. The bird is somewhere here. The two observers are on the same side of the bird. So we have the horizontal level. The first observer is here. That is Abu looking at the bird on top of the pole. The second observer is here, Badu, looking at the same bird. The two observers are 46 meters apart. That is from here to this point. You have the height of the pole. The first angle of elevation is for the first observer. So here is 40 degrees and the second observer is 48 degrees. With this, you have the illustration for the information using diagram. Here we have the complete diagram. The bird is somewhere here. You have the first observer, the second observer. You have the distance between the two observers. Let's label from C to D to be S. Then from B to D becomes 46 plus S meters. B part of the question, we are to find the height of the pole. If from C to D is known, triangle A, B, C will have helped us to find the height, but S is unknown. For that reason, we have to consider the information in the two triangles. In order to find the height of the pole, triangles ADC and ADB are jointly used. In triangle ADC, ADC tan 48 degrees is equal to opposite, that is AD, over adjacent CD. You have H over s. Multiply through by s to clear fraction. You have h equal to s tan 48 degrees. We call that equation 1. Now we consider triangle ADB, where tan 40 degrees, that is, we are considering the bigger triangle ADB. Tan 40 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent, that is h over 46 plus s. When you clear the fraction, you have this result, that is equation 2. Now both sides of the two equations are equal, that is the left hand side. By implication, the right hand sides are also equal. We expand from here. You have this result. Collect like terms by transferring this term to the left hand side. Factor out s. You have this result. Divide both sides by the coefficient of s. You have it in this form. If you evaluate 46 tan 40 degrees, you have 38.59858. You evaluate the denominator, you have this result. You subtract, you have this other part. After division, you have 142.1626 meters. We are to find the height of the pole. Both equations can help us to do that, but equation 1 is easier. You have equation 1, you replace s with what it stands for. This is the value of tan 48 degrees. When you multiply, you have this result. To 1 decimal place, the height of the pole becomes 157.9 meters.